In this video, I'm going to teach you how to trade gift card at high rates on Mango Card app. Before we get started, click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like this video and also share it for more people to see after you finish watching, guys. Now let's get started. This is how it goes. Go to your Play Store or your Apple Store and search for this application, Mango Gift Card. You can see it. Download this application to your phone, and after you download it, open it, guys. And it's going to look like this. Let it load, guys. It's going to look like this, and click any option down here. Click any option down here, and it will show you this option. And you can see down here, you can see register now. Click on register now. Then put your functional Gmail here. You can see email verification. Leave it first. Jump to where it says password. Make sure your password starts with capital letter. Let's say Godwin for example. Let's say Godwin for example. Add number at the back and add any symbol like this or like this. Do you understand right now? The next thing you are going to do is to put this in referral code, guys. Put this referral code. The reason is this. If you put this referral code, they are going to give you a welcome bonus of 5,000 naira, and they are going to reward me as well. But if you didn't use this referral code, if you skip it, you are not going to get any welcome bonus, and they are not going to reward me as well. So I would say, please use this invitation, this referral code. Do you understand right now? After you put this referral code, go to this verification code. Now you can see at the front of it, you can see send. Tap on that send, and immediately you tap on the send. They are going to send code to your Gmail, and take that code, put the code here. Then before it expires, click on register, and your account will be registered successfully. Do you understand right now? Now I'm going to log into my own account and show you how to trade your gift card and how to withdraw your money to your bank account. Now let me log in and we'll continue, guys. I have logged in right now, guys. Now to trade your gift card, this is what you are going to do. Now let me show you. You can see here, you can see this is the gift card. This is gift card on here. You can choose the one you want to sell. Now let's say we want to sell Apple items. Click on Apple item. If it is Razer, click on it. If it is Steam, click on it. If it is Google Play, click on it. Do you understand right now? Now let's use Apple item as an example. If you click it, it's going to load offer for you. It's going to load offer for you. Do you understand right now? Then select the country of your gift card. You can see USD card. If it is GBP, if it is Canada card, if it is Australia card. Do you understand right now? Select the country of your card. Now let's say I want to sell Apple items card, US card. Now it's going to load like this. You can see Lisa is taking minimum of $500 to 1,000. If you are selling below 500, you will not choose this person. Now you can see Bella 300 to 400. If you are selling below 300, you will not choose this Bella, and if you are selling higher than 400, you will not choose Bella as well. So you should understand now. This one is taking 200, between 200 to 450. This one is taken between $100 to 150. So look at it and choose the one that match your amount of card. This one is taken minimum between $10 to 500. Now let's say we want to sell card of $300. Now we are going to go for this. You understand? Or we're going to go for this one that say between we are going to go for this one that say okay, $300. We can only go for this between 200 to 450. Now you click on it and you write the amount, or you choose the amount 300. You can see even the amount is the 300 is not here. You don't understand right now, but now let's use 250 or 350 as an example. Just as an example. If you didn't see the amount here, you go for another one just like this. Let's say between $10 to 450. Do you understand? We click on it and you click on amount like this, and you write $300 there. You understand? So this one is taking 300. Now the next thing you are going to do, guys, is to write the code of your gift card here and click on submit here. Okay, please upload a clear picture of your gift card. No, now this is what you are going to do. You can write the code of your gift card here and you click on submit. And if you have the image of your gift card, you click on this box and you click gallery. Then you select the picture of your gift card, the image of your gift card, and upload it. And if your gift card is 2 cards, click on another box. It will give you a space for another box. Click on it, select the second card, and click on submit. and this is the amount you are going to get for $300 apparatus card, US card, 373,458 naira, and the point is 1780. They calculate it in points and they calculate it in naira for you to understand. So click on submit, and in few seconds your account, it will say success. That means you have set your gift card. The next thing is to withdraw your money to your bank account. Now let's go back. This is the to see your balance. You can see down here, you can see account. Click on account and you will see your balance like this. You can see I have 10,044 naira on this balance right now, and the point is 47.90. Now the next thing you are going to do, you can see order user down here. Click on user and you can see bank account. Click on bank account. Then you can see add card. Click on add card. Select the bank you are using. Do you understand right now? Then enter your name and the account number and click on submit. After that, go back. You can see my account here. Go back and go back to account. Then you can see withdraw. Click on withdraw. Then write the amount you want to withdraw. And if you want to withdraw all your money, you are the owner of it, write it there and click on confirm. And sharp, your money will deliver to your bank account without any delay. So this is how to trade your gift card at high rates on Mango Card app. If you have any question, write it in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video and also share it for more people to see. One love, guys.